Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and excited that I'm seeing that people are actually subscribing and watching my videos. I'm seriously just so thankful and happy. Everyone's been just Instagramming me and just messaging me about like how much they enjoy watching my videos, and honestly like it's just awesome because it's like is anyone gonna watch my videos? But like you guys actually do, so it's so awesome. So anyways, today I'm gonna be showing you guys and sharing with you guys my favorite products, my go-to. I'm always gonna buy this. I know what to buy whenever I go to the store. It's just awesome. I have 1, 2, 3, 6 products. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on them. So go ahead and start with my foundation. NYX Stay Matte Not Flat. It works so good. But I do recommend using a beauty blender whenever you guys do apply this foundation on your skin because it just goes on like airbrushed and so beautiful. This one works well with my skin. I have combination skin. I just love it. I feel like it stays on all day and it's just awesome. Then my second product, of course, it has to be Tarte Shape Tape. I absolutely love it. It seriously just goes on so well, and I have like purple under my eyes, so using this just seriously hides it. I just love it, and everyone always has to steal it every time they come over. They just want to use it, and I'm like, that stuff was like $25. Don't use it. Then my next one, everyone that's been following me on Snapchat ever since I've had a Snapchat knows that I always share this mascara, and it's my all-time favorite. It's I Love Extreme by Essence. You can purchase this at Ulta. Also too, you can purchase this NYX at Ulta. They do sell NYX at Target, but they don't sell, I mean, I haven't seen at least this foundation at Target, but they do sell this at Ulta. And it's so funny too because I swear, like it's so hard for me to sometimes find this because it's like sold out, and I'm like, is it from me posting it on Snapchat so much? Because everyone would always screenshot it because I would always do like mini makeup tutorials on Snapchat. Fourth favorite, everyone, I always post about this one too as well, the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in colored stripped. It just seriously, even whenever I didn't have my lips done, I think because of the color, it almost kind of looks like a natural lip color. It made my lips look naturally plump every time that I would put it on. So I just really love their matte colors. I really love it. It just makes my lips look like I'm not trying too hard, but they look like good, you know? Okay, and then my fifth is this Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. It is beautiful. I totally forgot to put some on before I even made this video. I'll just show you guys really quick like how well, like I'm just doing it with my finger right now. Like, I know it's not like blended in, but this is like with just my finger. The palette. I was this close to buying the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk whatever palette, and I'm so glad that my friend had posted this palette because I bought it as soon as she did because she was showing the swatches, and the colors are just so pigmented and it's just so cute. Like the names of it: Lies, Blissful, Pleasure, Kiss Me, Innocent Fire, Nudes, Tempting, Orgasm. Some of the colors, like I just barely press into it. Like look at, like come on, like oh my gosh, I just really love this palette. I should show you guys some of these colors. Like this is Dare Me. Like look at the pigment of that. It's ridiculous. And I know I need to like blend this out, obviously. Look at, now it's getting on my eyebrow. I'm just showing it to you guys and trying to be funny at the same time. So, like I said, this is so pump. For $15, oh my gosh, it is so worth it. I use this palette more than my Tarte, my Urban Decay. Like, this is just the one I seriously just go to. There we have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great day, you guys. Always positive vibes.